+1 to enable the narrator. You know.
Oh my god, bro. This is gonna take so long.
Yeah.
Maybe I should have done this.
I mean-
Repeat it.
Okay, so it has to be 3 cycles because this shit is actually like unbelievably incorrect.
What do you mean 3 cycles,
Yeah,
bro? We're
no,
doing 4
2
cycles.
Because it's you basically because you rotate 3 times, so it doesn't actually include the first thing where you. don't
So it is 4 cycles, 3 rotations.
Yeah,
It's counting.
but the estimated event time is wrong because it. you
Hey
know.
mouse, hey mouse.
Wait, how many? Wait, so we
Why
have
do you
4
say I'm
cycles,
taking everything
right?
down? I'm throwing raw and potatoes at you.
I know. What is it?
Ah.
It's
Oh,
I was gonna
it's
say
so
60
dino
minutes, but it's
propaganda.
actually 80 minutes because this link guy is a chud.
Okay, so
Wait,
we-
is
Like,
that actually wrong?
it's gonna last 80 minutes, and for some reason it says 60 minutes.
Ah,
That's awesome.
Is that why he's in the
Oh,
chat
wait.
cage, Kenny?
Yeah, he's in the chud cage. Yeah, I'm gonna
in
turn
the
you into a
chat, I'm
chud.
not in the server yet.
What are you talking about? Stop. I can't take it anymore.
Enough is
Say
enough.
Chud one more time. I'm gonna fucking lose it. Enough. So true.
No.
Kenny died.
Where is
Thank you.
Lincoln?
Did you kill
Thank
Lincoln?
you.
Where is Link?
I think
Hype
you
right now.
You killed him. That's okay. He didn't deserve it. He deserved it, right?
Minimum mid maps in 2026. Look how many people are here.
Link, where you
Okay.
need him.
KBT Gizmo wants to go in the chat cage. Wait, Gizmo, press this.
The
Gizmo, press
chud
this.
cage. Oh,
What happened to the mannequin? We broke the cage.
I think we killed him.
I'm not gonna stream this one because I'm not even setting up, but I will record it and drop it on the actual. 15
guess I'll boot
mappers,
up
16
OBS. Why
mappers. That's a
not?
full. That's a whole stack of snowballs. You make a snowball for each person. It'll
Why
be a
wouldn't you
full
just
stack.
say that's a
Ball.
whole monument? We're bro.
No,
It
it's
was
a
handed
bundle
to you on a
worth of
silver
Do
snowballs.
you
platter.
think we have like 16 wolves in this game?
I'm gonna punch you.
Have you ever played a drift? There's like 19.
16 colors.
You're right. You're right.
There's a whole
actually.
hex code.
I haven't been
Alright.
keeping up with the latest updates, so you know.
The whole hex
what's,
code.
Oh, now we have
KBT,
too
what
many.
KBT, fuck do you mean the whole hex code?
What?
Do you want to team with
Hey,
me
more
and
than
you,
7.
sir?
No, I want to go solo. I
Okay,
specifically
okay.
wanted to go solo.
That's fine.
Stack of
Right.
snowballs.
Sir,
Fucking hell. If only there was some
Juicer going to
significance to the number
team,
16.
Wait, who's teaming with who?
me and you, sir.
Hey, are
I'd
we
like
teaming
to
or are we
be teaming
trolling?
with the
Yeah,
Primo,
we can do that.
Can I team with
since
someone?
I kidnapped him.
Does that mean we're stapled together for every single cycle?
Yeah.
Oh,
Can I team
fuck.
with someone in case I'm not picking up the slack?
I don't worry, bro. It's
I thought you
cycler.
were
It's
teaming
gonna
with
be
that
shit
Link guy
anyway.
who's not even
It's
here.
cycler, bro.
Okay, aside from
Rogue Player 2.
Everyone
We're
should
not
stop
making Rogue
having
Fire 2.
expectations
That's coming
and
in a
just
few
make
months.
Where
When the mouse has
are
the
my
motivation to
wing
match them.
charges?
This isn't
Me and
CTM
Mama.
Maker. All right, Cake,
wind
join
charges.
team 6.
Slash joined space
Nope,
team
no,
6.
right click the book and then click the 6 button.
Oh, okay, I got it.
And then mouse is gonna click
Uh,
the 7 button. And then I'm gonna lock in.
Now let's go to team 10.
The last minute change to team 7. Leave Cake on his own. Get fucked.
6, 7. Wait, what? What'd you say?
What?
Chub
wait.
G64.
Okay, is anyone else teaming with anyone else?
Wait.
who wants to team with me?
Yeah, me and Big Mama.
I want to go
Alright, you
solo.
guys can just join the same team. Doesn't matter.
We're
Just pick a number that hasn't
Let
been
me
occupied.
let me check.
Ow.
I don't know. Just put me on like. Hang on.
You can just pick one.
Just pick
Right
one.
click the book and pick
Yeah, I
like
picked
8,
team 3. Okay.
3. Sure.
Big number 4.
Yes! You can.
What?
Big Mama. Team 4.
Yes, this is an awesome exploit.
Oh, wait, I
Don't
can hit
fix
Sanders
this.
if he's in a different team.
You can attack people in different teams.
Which team are you? Wait.
You can attack people from the same team.
Alright, Dino, join my team.
Why are you in our
Fuck.
team? Vaults.
Alright, Dino, we
Sanders-
can make Calcino.
Sanders, I am adding a casino theme to every quick
Why
fire
are you
ever,
in our
hoping you
team?
get
Oh, you
it.
just put a theme actually. Yeah.
Holy shit.
Dude, this is
Alright,
awesome.
Cobalt, you need to pick a different number, Cobalt. That's
You make it
that
fun.
number's already
6-7 Boo
occupied.
Boo Chud server. Bro, what the fuck? I've got to see this with my own eyes.
No,
Oh my
Oh,
god.
it is. It does
We
say
need
that.
okay. We need more theme suggestions. This is like a pitiful
Ouch.
number.
Yeah, no one. Are we picking?
Yo, Big
themes
Mom,
yet,
are
or
you
what?
joining Sanders' team?
Yeah, everyone write down a theme in
Right-
your theme
right-click
book.
your
Don't
book.
sign it.
Oh, the
Right-click your
theme.
book, Big Mama, and click on 4.
For some
forgot
reason,
about
it's
that.
saying. For some reason, it's
Yo,
saying.
Cobalt, they don't want you on their team, bro. You need to pick a different number.
No, fucking. Okay, your
Hey,
team.
Dude, no, bro. Just
Not an
no.
Why are
invitation.
you on
It's,
6 now?
threat.
No, you said.
I don't.
KVT's
All right, just pick an. Okay, I don't think anyone wants to join your team, so you're probably gonna operate solo this time, bro. Just leave the team, bro. It's that simple. Or just pick like an empty number, like that hasn't been chosen, like
But why
5 or
did-
something.
Okay,
Just pick
then
5.
why did Nebula like sound distraught when I switched to 6?
It's funny.
There was a laughing.
Very comical.
There's not a big difference between
I'm signing the book.
want to be laughing.
Do not
Oh.
sign the
Wait.
book.
Wait, I
I
signed the
want
book
to
and
sign
it
the book
actually.
so
it
much. What the
actually
fuck,
signed.
guys?
Wait, I thought it was.
Oh,
It actually signed. It's signed.
You play Super Smash Bros.
No,
now.
Link
Okay,
didn't
wait,
have the
Giz-
technology to prevent you from that. He's not omnipotent.
Wait.
Sorry.
Oh damn.
Wait, team's
I got a new
unlocked.
Why don't you just prevent us from doing that if you don't want us to?
Yeah, you cannot win against me and my sapling.
All right, just click on 5 in your book, Cobalt
There we
Claws.
go.
No, I was gonna pick 7.
Someone in the white cage.
Just pick one that hasn't.
Just pick,
That has no
just
players
pick one,
on it.
bro.
Okay.
Please, Jesus Christ.
Gizmo, pick
Jesus
7.
fuck.
Gizmo, pick
All right,
7.
now we're gonna do themes. Everyone type an area
Gizmo.
theme in your book and quill, and then don't sign your book.
Who can Quilver?
Yeah.
Wait. Can you put
Where's
Gizmo
my
on
coaster?
team 7?
Oh,
Gizmo can't join the team himself. Holy shit! Can you learn?
Gizmo, did you
I-
want a team with someone?
Yeah, Gizmo and Cobalt are teaming.
Okay.
Yeah,
let me unlock the
Gizmo
teams.
said in the game chat.
All right. Oh, is Godzilla joining as well?
Yeah,
no
just
way.
some-
All the goats are back.
All the goats. Hold on.
Okay.
Oh
I
my
just gotta
God.
get like Adrian Brightmore on here and who
No,
else?
that guy's a fraud, bro. He's a better
Zungri.
now.
Fucking
Remember
mess.
Zungri? Who else?
Zangri,
Gandalf.
I've spoken to him.
Let's wait a minute. Yeah.
Mole Man. I miss
All right, I'm
Mole.
locking the teams again.
Tyler.
All right,
Someone not
Ken-
joined yet?
Kenny. This map went from oatmeal to goat meal.
Okay, I'm gonna mute. in
Oatmeal
case
to
Goat-
goat.
goat meal.
1, 2, oh, it's
You
me.
heard me?
All right.
Oatmeal is
What theme
crazy.
shall I put in my book and quill?
Book and
Goat
Queen.
meal.
Where's my coaster?
Market of Markdown
Steel.
Flyers.
Kenny, question: are you gonna be running the 99 stack base data size thing or no?
Big Mom.
No, not this time. 'Cause it's not already on the server.
All right.
All right. I'm just gonna pick a generic theme in my
Alright.
book.
Get
Yeah, I picked something
potato.
generic.
There
All
you
right.
are.
I hope everyone wrote something in their book and quill.
Cake. What in the? Cake,
All right.
what
Someone
in
is
God's
echoing, bro.
If you see
Who is
Godzilla,
What?
back, please.
Cake.
fuck
What
is
in
this?
God's
Who is it? Is
hated
it Bone
name
Rock? I'm gonna lower
is
this
that
a little.
fucking
Bone Rock.
name? Is that
You
fucking
can read it. Use your eyes.
God.
Brutalist District.
Okay.
Bone Rook.
I'll take it.
I think Bone
The
Rook
Spire
should be a
from Slay
theme.
the Spire. We'll take it.
Autism.
2,
What
yes,
does it even look like?
Cactus
You
covered
need to
cavern.
add
I like that
separate 2
one.
onto its list.
Oh no. Cactus.
Absolute chaos. Library of the Void. And Godzilla! You need to put something in your book and quill, bro.
Alex the Lion. What are you doing in my com-
Put something in that book and quill, bro.
Put something in that fucking.
What are you doing? It's like
A single
Uh-oh.
dash. That gets your mind thinking, you know? You can make a whole dash-based area.
no. You should have kept empty. That would have been funny.
Blood Lake.
Blood Lake.
Tea Time
Bloody.
What?
Okay.
Molten
What the
Chambers.
hell is that?
Fishing Village.
Ah, finally!
Wait, that's like literally the
Spiders.
exact same as mine, Gizmo. I had to change mine.
Speeders.
Empty. Wah,
Get him!
wah.
Get him!
You didn't split anything in the book.
Tropical
No, I put
Frontier.
something in the book. I died and I reset or something. Interesting.
Did you sign the book that
That's
says do
okay.
not sign?
We don't need everyone to have a theme.
I
because
did
there's
not
so many
sign the
themes.
book.
It's
Yeah.
okay.
I can't believe you can
Empty.
reject themes.
Gizmo, you picked
That's
literally
crazy.
the same theme
We
that
can
I
have
had.
5 blank themes and still be fine.
Where did I park my
Gizmo
damn
stole my
car?
theme.
Except,
Walmart.
Now you get Walmart.
dude,
Bones and
yeah, I
Ruins.
left it at Walmart. That's where.
Unicorn Rainbow Kingdom. Unfortunate. Haunted Graveyard.
Unfortunate.
Afterglow.
Alright.
Afterglow 2.0.
That's all the themes.
Reminder before we start, we do have a shulker box of default, like basic-ish mobs.
thank
You
God.
are expected to do mobs and loot in this event. Loot is not provided, but if you do /trigger, I think it's give basic spawners. I think you need to be in creative mode to do it. But that should give you a
You're in the
shulker
cardboard.
box at your feet,
Haha.
with bundles full of all of the things that you would need.
Okay.
Lock in.
So make sure you do loot and mobs at some point because this will just be submitted straight to Mechanics.
Are you actually gonna release the map without any tweaks whatsoever? Or is it
We're,
actually gonna come out?
we're literally gonna
We're
spend
not
an
even-
hour straight
we're
after the
not even
event
gonna
ends,
connect
and we're just gonna
areas.
run it down. We're just gonna
That's
switch
right,
the
Slime
areas,
King. You
place
actually have
the
to think about your
teleporters and the easy
designs
one, and
this
we're
time.
done. That's literally
Crazy.
Okay,
I don't even know if my easy monument works.
I
I'm
hope
gonna
your
change
spawners don't
11.
have 1 tick delays like last time, guys. That'd be a real shame.
Oh, I
Can you
remember
do-
that.
We're gonna get like
Okay.
4 to 6 to 8 rounds going between.
Wait, there's something in here?
I feel like we're gonna cycle between everyone's areas at least.
No, we
once.
cycle
Nope,
through
there's
4
4
areas.
cycles.
You're going to touch 4 areas.
Okay.
I'll save you. Okay.
Do we?
For 20
Are we
minutes
given a
each.
The
theme?
oranges will fail.
Yep, the theme is the area that you are at. You know, we just picked the themes now. So each area will get assigned one of these themes. You should know the theme when you get teleported to it.
OP everyone, Kenny.
Okay.
1 second.
Brutalist district.
Oh hey, Axiom immediately comes. Oh hey, got dinos area.
Cactus
Oh,
covered caverns.
gravel.
Let me
Oh, I
fill
forgot
this.
about
let me
this
fill
this
square
world
real
and
quick.
how cursed it is.
The
I
square
fucking
is
hate
not
this
failed.
man making world, man. I fucking
Where
hate it.
is
Yeah.
Tell Lincoln, bro. He
Ah.
Oui, salut. Ok, nice.
Alors, c'est
Oui.
quoi notre thème? Library of the Void. Alors
Ok.
déjà, je vais devoir me déconnecter
Ok, c'est très bien.
et revenir parce que j'ai dû réinstaller mon urgence.
Ok, top, vas-y. Ça gère. Oh
En
là là.
espérant que j'ai Axiom qui marche, sinon ça va être pas rigolo du tout.
Ok.
Voilà.
On va gérer. Hop. Ça y est, là, j'ai 15 minutes de World Edit là dans ma gueule. J'ai des
Wow.
notes.
Bon,
des post-it,
franchement,
attention.
t'as vraiment pas. Je sais même pas si c'était obligatoire parce qu'en vrai.
Ouais,
Welcome
tranquille.
to Axiom. Non, je veux pas. Je connais par cœur Axiom. Alors, on a Library of the Void.
Un petit truc dans le vide déjà. Une île. On fait quoi?
Ouais, est-ce qu'on ferait. Ouais, on fait ça dans les airs. Parce que
Ouais.
je pense qu'ils retireront le bas. Bah, de toute façon, après, je peux.
Vas-y, commence un petit début.
Ah merde, faut que je remette mes contrôles. Ah.
Ok.
Tac. Axiom. Editor UI. Tac.
Ok, nice. Bon. Une petite île.
Ok.
On la commence avec des sphères, on fait quoi?
Attends, déjà, je vais retirer un peu le bas. En vrai, je peux.
Il y a de quoi enlever la terre, on fait quoi? Oula.
Vas-y, je-
Waouh.
C'est puissant, Axiom.
On se fait violence.
Hello there.
Hey. Qu'est-ce que tu fais là? Hein? Ok, tu nous as fait un petit trou duc.
Oula.
Waouh! Ça part très loin. Oh, il se passe des choses là. Ah ouais, d'accord, ok. Je vois le truc. Ouah, t'as laissé les
Ok.
corners.
Euh,
Là, ce sera pas pris en compte, j'imagine.
Non, mais de toute façon, on peut les retirer.
Ok.
à la
Ah,
main.
du coup, ouais, on commence plus bas finalement.
Ouais, mais c'était histoire de. Non, on peut commencer à ce niveau-là.
Ouais,
Mais
ok.
C'était juste histoire de bien.
Ouais, comme ça, on a de la
Ouais,
profondeur.
le truc.
Bon, vas-y, j'ai mis un petit bloc.
Ah, c'est vrai que maintenant il y a ça dans Axiom, c'est trop bien. Ce truc.
Librairie of the Void. Vas-y.
Je pense faire des petites îles volantes et des
Vas-y.
bibliothèques volantes.
On utilise quoi comme palette
Là, vu qu'on a 20 minutes, mieux vaut faire des.
Ouais,
Juste du terrain, donc les îles.
Ouais.
Tac. Non, je veux pas le tutoriel Axiom, s'il te plaît. Faut vraiment qu'il retire ça.
Quelle palette de couleurs on utilise? Quel bloc? Library of the Void. On met de la
Alors.
stone et on remplacera au pire.
Ouais.
On
pour
fait
l'instant,
plutôt
juste
un
faire
truc
des-
horizontal, on fait comment? Vertical, tu vois le truc comment?
Bon, bah, je vais faire des. Je vais virer les nuages.
C'est pas grave si je laisse des trous dedans, il y a des commandes pour remplir à l'intérieur?
Oula.
Je sais pas, je fais nimp là. Je commence déjà à faire du caca.
Hop. Mon outil préféré, les shapes.
Oh, ouais,
faire des
vas-y.
sphères un peu plates. Tac, tac, tac.
On fait quoi? On
tac.
fait une île principale qui se décompose un petit peu, genre?
Je partais plutôt sur un complexe de plusieurs îles.
Ok, ça me va. Avec des îles plus ou moins importantes ou on fait tout de la taille égale, genre? À peu près.
Bon, on peut faire à peu près tout de taille.
Oh, t'arrives à faire des disques de pisse, c'est une dinguerie.
Ah ouais.
C'est beaucoup mieux là.
Tac, tac.
Purée, j'ai pas appris ça, moi j'ai juste appris à faire des sphères. Ah.
En plus, les îles flottantes, j'en ai fait pas mal ces derniers temps avec petit pouvoir là.
Ah, effectivement. Et puis t'as moi, je fais du caca pour la première fois, c'est une dinguerie.
Tac.
Qu'est-ce que je branle?
T'inquiète, on peut tout transformer en truc incroyable.
Vas-y.
Je vais smooth un peu ton truc et ça va devenir fou.
J'ai hésité à live stream, mais bon, vas-y. Je l'ai pas fait au final. J'ai
Ouais.
eu la flemme. Je me suis dit, si c'est pour montrer ce travail-là, elle, il va me vanner. La flemme.
Déjà, il m'a envoyé un
Ouais,
message.
je sais, j'étais en voc. Oh là là, je suis le pire stagiaire. Je suis Greg Guillotin, là, c'est terrible. Ok. C'est bien, on fait des petites hauteurs et tout. Wouah, t'as fait un tourbillon de stone. Dingue.
Pire, j'ai fait une principale. Non, je veux pas le tuto, Axiom, casse-toi. Tac.
Ce serait trop bien que tu laisses ça comme ça. Est-ce que ça indique qui était juste avant sur le truc?
Non, on le saura à la fin.
Oh. Ok. On fait tout à peu près au même niveau, hein. On fait pas des... Ouais, ok.
Ouais.
Ok, on s'embête pas alors.
Ça te dit que je smooth un peu ton truc pour que ça ressemble au mien?
Oui, avec plaisir, mec. Travaille dessus.
Si là, on a deux îles, deux ambiances.
La mienne, on dirait...
Après, en vrai, tu fais pas chier en faire plus, après on va juste les copier-coller.
Ah, ok. Ok.
Vraiment, hein.
Ok, carré. Ok. Vas-y, tu sais quoi? J'ai envie de travailler sur ton truc. Je le détruis pas, je vais juste remplacer les blocs. Est-ce qu'on choisit un peu des trucs déjà? /mask.
Limite, en vrai, si c'est possible, j'aime bien que tu fasses des trucs genre des arbres ou des trucs comme ça, on peut juste s'amuser à les coller derrière.
Oh, ok.
Et après, je pourrais m'occuper.
Ok, ça marche. C'est un peu prétentieux, je vais essayer de faire Ohara. Non, je rigole, pas du tout. C'est...
Bah du coup, t'as compris l'event, là, on va...
Ouais,
en gros, on fait un truc pendant 20 minutes, là, il y a plus que 12 minutes, en gros. Et après, on passe sur un autre truc
3 fois
qui sert reparti
Combien
pour
de
20
fois
minutes.
Ouais.
Et ouais, on a 4... on va voir 4 trucs en truc, et en gros, on change 3 fois.
Ok.
Bon, voilà, c'est nickel. Tac, CTRL C. CTRL V. Unlock les rotations. Oui, c'est le meilleur truc, unlock rotation. Arrête de me prévenir de...
Tu reçois des big notifs, genre?
Ah ouais, bah oui, parce que je suis sur un nouveau truc, du coup il est en train de me dire à chaque fois je suis le tutoriel. Tu veux apprendre à te servir d'Axiom?
Oh là là, ils savent pas, ils savent pas. Ils connaissent pas ton potentiel.
Non, en vrai, je suis pas le...
Oh, j'ai jamais fait d'arbre de ma vie. Oh là 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 là.
T'inquiète. Ah, à l'aide. Il veut pas. CTRL X. Tac.
On tente des trucs, on tente des trucs. Oh, Ohara n'a qu'à bien se tenir. Hein. Franchement, là. Oh, l'arbre du savoir, mon pote. Là, on sait rien, là. Envie de die.
Tu m'étonnes qu'on se soit fait bombarder.
Ah bah là, ça méritait un buster call.
Alors...
C'est terrible. Je vais prendre...
Edit.
On peut se faire plaisir
Je
sur
te veux là. I understand. Il y a des tutos de partout.
Oh, ouais, des feuilles de mangrove, ça fait bien Ohara, ça. C'est bien chiant. Je suis con.
Simplex, ça me semble bien. Radius, on va virer la surface. Alors, qu'est-ce qu'on utilise comme Library of the Void? Les îles, on les ferait avec quoi? Oh, je sais, je vais rajouter des trucs d'améthyste après. Des pics.
Ok. On coupe des petites choses, là.
Attends. Tu sais, ce qui pourrait être drôle, c'est de foutre des bibliothèques dans mon arbre. En mode les livres poussent sur les arbres.
Oh, vas-y. Bon, bah, je te laisserai remplacer la shape. Enfin, les blocs et tout. Tranquille. Là, on coupe bien, là.
Juste en train de réfléchir à quel bloc on utilise.
Oh, j'ai cook un arbre. Let's go. Allez.
Ouais, j'ai eu l'avancement de stonage. Let's
Nice.
go.
Oh, slash success. All. Ok. Qu'est-ce que je peux faire comme autre truc? D'autres arbres? Qu'est-ce que je nous coupe là?
Attends, je réfléchis. Quel bloc noir je pourrais utiliser? Rewood, ouais. Tac. Et Rewood.
C'était quoi la commande que j'avais retenue, ça? Ah ouais.
Goblet Deep Slate. Blackstone.
Les 10 minutes ont servi à quoi là? Ah mais oui, j'aurais pu faire un truc
Voilà.
comme ça.
Tac. Ah, oula.
Comment ça s'appelle ça? Bookshelf.
Ah, puis il reste pas de stone, si, il en reste un peu là. Là.
Tac. Comment je fais, wesh?
Alors,
mais c'est parce
tac.
qu'il faut une virgule ici, j'avais oublié. Ok, c'est
Ah,
bon.
puis il me faut un cône. Cône. Tac. Tac.
Undo. Ok. Oh là là, ça a de la gueule ce que tu cookes.
Voilà, le problème c'est que le début c'est principalement du terrain, c'est mieux de le faire avec Axiom. C'est pour ça que je...
Oui, non, mais me considère
J'ai-
pas comme un allié, mon pote. hein, vraiment. Je fais de la merde. Je fais de mon mieux.
Mais non mec, ça va être incroyable.
Mais non, ça va être incroyable, bien sûr. Je suis bien évidemment super modeste. Je
Ça,
suis
ça va
bien-
être une classe de maître.
Mais oui.
Tac. Non, j'ai perdu mon masque. J'ai fait tomber le masque.
Personne va prendre mes arbres, tu vas voir. Là, je travaille bien pour rien.
Non mais t'inquiète, genre 2 minutes avant qu'on swap, je vais en prendre et je vais en copier un peu partout.
Oh oui, impossible à enlever.
Voilà. Comme ça ils seront bien obligés
de travailler avec.
utiliser ça. Allez, tiens, allez, démerde-toi avec ça.
Oh ouais. Ok, c'est parti. Oh ouais. Non, je vais faire autre chose. Je vais Non, je vais changer les feuilles. Oh mais quelle feuille. Pal Oak Leaves. C'est pas mal ça. Mangrove Rots. Pal Oak Leaves. Pal Oak Leaves. Ok, c'est parti. Oh là 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 là. Mince, j'avais pas le son tout ce temps. C'est mes premiers arbres. Je suis ému. Bon, pour rester dans la vibe, je suis imou. Hop.
Oh, tu t'es regardé du One Piece ce soir, toi pour,
non, mais
ta
j'étais à
sur
jour.
Serif.
Non, j'étais... Ça faisait longtemps que... Enfin, longtemps. Que j'étais à jour dans l'animé, mais je regarde pas le manga, moi.
Donc moi, ça fait un... Je me fais des binges de temps en temps du manga.
Ah, ok, d'accord.
Sinon, je suis pas du tout, sauf... Je fais des grosses sessions où je rattrape tout le retard, et puis après c'est...
Ok. Et dans l'animé, dans le manga, t'en es où Plus que...
Non, justement, j'ai arrêté l'animé, je lis que le manga.
Ah, ok. Mais t'es à jour
Voilà, l'animé, c'est pas la peine. J'ai pas une éternité à perdre.
Ouais, bah, t'as raison, si...
J'avais commencé, en vrai, le tout début, East Blue, tout ça, c'était vraiment cool, mais après...
C'est vrai que c'est dur, après.
Marineford, c'était bien, mais après, ça devient dur.
Ouais, c'est lent. Bah, je vais pas te mentir,
Ouais, ouais.
je passe beaucoup d'épisodes. hein. Oh, il y a des combats, ils sont tellement longs, je te jure que j'appuie sur la flèche de droite, mais comme jamais.
Above equal R. Tac. On mettrait pas du petit mycélium. Allez. Comme un gros dégueulasse.
Mince.
Tac. Tac.
Ah, j'avoue, c'est pas mal ce que t'as fait. C'est le mec qui va critiquer.
Pas mal ce que vous faites, chef.
Pas mal. Inspecteur des travaux finis. Oh, par contre, je sais pas faire les trucs des mobs et tout. hein. Ils ont parlé de ça, j'ai stressé.
Ouais, à la fin, je m'en occuperai.
Ouais, je ferai rien. Je ferai définition de
Non, bah
bâtiment.
Ouais, voilà, tu feras définition.
J'adore faire les finitions, t'inquiète pas. Oh, je le fais à la main, c'est beau.
Et puis il me reste plus qu'une île à peindre. Là. C'est absolument dégueulasse.
C'est
Hop.
parfait. Ça me
Je vais
représente
copier
bien.
ton arbre.
Ah
Tac.
ouais, vas-y. C'est le moment, c'est l'arbre du savoir.
Voilà. Et tu vois ton arbre qui était pas ouf au final, je fais juste une rotation et ça devient un arbre stylé.
Oh là 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 là.
Trop bien Axiom. Tu fais du caca et ça devient grotesque. Vraiment un mode pour les nuls comme moi.
Ouais, comme moi. Attends.
Mais crois-moi, là, j'avais pas Axiom, c'était finito. On avait une team de bras cassés.
Ah ouais, putain.
Voilà.
C'est comme... Ah, mais je comprends ce que j'ai en fait. Alors j'ai ça. Oh, c'est grotesque. Et voilà, on a des arbres du savoir à donf là. Ouais.
Oula. Non, lui, je l'ai mis un peu trop loin. Tac.
On en fait quoi du filmbook, on s'en fout.
Le filmbook.
Le thème là, le livre de thème, tout ça, on s'en fout.
Oh, ouais, tu peux les mettre dans ton inventaire.
Ok.
Ils seront peut-être utiles pour de certaines commandes, mais je suis pas sûr.
On
Bon,
met
bah,
des
au
dates,
moins.
on met quoi Non, on met rien.
Ouais, bah, on laissera pour les gens après.
Ok.
Tac. Je vais juste virer tes deux arbres. Tac. 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 Sorte de clean pour après.
On met des coffres ou pas?
Non, on n'a pas le temps.
La première, on laisse tranquille.
Ouais, voilà. On a fait une bonne base pour la suite. Dans le temps restant, je vais continuer à gratter le sol parce que ça me fait marrer.
C'est ça le chargeur.
Oula.
Ok, bon, c'est quoi
Alors.
le thème Blood Lake.
Blood Lake.
Ouais, y a
Ah
rien.
merde, faut aller.
Faut aller en bas.
Sûrement que tu te mettes en. Ouais, c'est en bas. Mets-toi en spectateur.
Ah oui, ok.
Alors, Blood Lake. Ah ouais, c'est
Slash effect.
avec du sang.
Give us night vision infinite. Wow.
Je sais pas. Je vais faire un arbre, je pense, et puis je le copie un peu.
Oh, ils ont fait un truc un peu en mode os, un peu organique, j'aime bien. Ok.
Ouais. Et puis il y a un gros œil au plafond.
Putain, pourquoi ils ont cook mieux que nous là? Créatif.
Ouais. Ouais, non, je vais plutôt essayer de rajouter des structures. Pour des petits forts,
Ok.
des trucs.
Bon, on me laisse une minute que j'essaye de trouver ma place dans ce truc là. Oh, ça va partir dans l'organique encore. Oh là là, ils ont que des arbres classiques. Oh, je vais cook des arbres. Je vais faire des arbres partout. C'est parti. Je vais juste prendre leur palette de blocs et ça part. Je vais faire des arbres custom comme ils aiment. Là.
Alors attends, on va sortir le Symmetry Tool. Tac. Tac,
ils veulent du
tac.
chêne, je vais leur mettre du chêne.
Tac,
tu vas
tac.
voir. Bon, je vais aller en bas faire mes arbres. Sauf que là, ça m'inspire, ce thème m'inspire sur des formes d'arbres.
C'est exotique.
Exactement, exactement.
Une idée que je vais utiliser comme. Oh bah pire non. Nickel ça comme bloc. Tac, 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 nickel. C'était quoi ce son?
Je sais pas, on se croirait dans Hypixel avec des mecs qui ont payé des grades. C'est fou.
Hop, ça c'est pour la symétrie. Tac. 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 Je vais d'abord stacker le truc. Ça, je pourrais plus facilement le copier.
Je suis d'accord avec toi. Je sais pas du tout ce que tu veux. Ah, tu fais des structures, ok.
Ah, mince. Tac. Tac.
Oh, je suis désolé pour les mapmakers, hein. C'est terrible. En vrai, j'aime bien. Là, je fais un petit truc.
Il a de la gueule ton arbre, ouais.
Ouais, si on... Ça va, en vrai, j'arrive à voir un petit côté, ok. Il est petit le côté, ok, il est là. Ok, maintenant je vais lui mettre des oak leaves. Est-ce que je pourrais pas mettre... Ok.
Je pense maintenant qu'il va falloir s'amuser à rajouter des structures. Genre une entrée à la zone. Je vais essayer de faire une porte là.
C'est magnifique. On va laisser comme ça, c'est pas mal.
Pas le fast place. Ah bah ça va beaucoup mieux là avec le fast place.
C'est toi qui as fait l'entrée?
Ouais, je fais... Temps très vite fait.
Ça c'est quoi ça? Dripstone. C'est quoi là? Non, je vais faire une upgrade sur cet arbre. Je vais le smooth
Ah,
un peu.
mettre un petit panneau start. Avec un beacon. Là. Ah ouais, stylé ton arbre.
Merci.
Hop.
Je vais le tailler un petit peu.
Hop. Il faudrait commencer à mettre du gameplay. Des trucs tout cons.
Genre on commence à choisir l'endroit où on met les coffres et tout, c'est ça que tu veux dire?
Ouais, surtout faire les plateformes sur lesquelles on marche et tout.
Ah ouais, donner un peu le pathing.
Ouais.
Comment on fait ça globalement? Genre on change la texture de certains blocs, on met des torches en redstone, c'est comment?
C'est de faire un design de chemin qui fonctionne. Genre un truc un peu comme ce que je viens de faire là au début. Juste tu fais des plateformes avec des contours
Ah ouais, ok.
en comme ça, et puis après tu rajoutes du beau au milieu, et puis après les gens s'amuseront à décorer.
Ok.
Du coup ce que tu peux faire c'est genre faire des plateformes qui montent comme ça. Tu mets des escaliers.
Smooth. 3 hashtag solide.
Non. Tac, tac, tac.
Oh là là, je deviens un terraformeur de malade.
Vient le GOAT en fait.
Ça y est.
Il découvre le making, il ne s'arrête plus.
Il ne s'arrête plus.
Arrêtez-le. Non, vous ne m'aurez jamais vivant.
Jamais.
C'est pour ça que j'aime bien les events. Tu commences, t'as juste ce qu'il faut de motivation pour 1h20 et puis après c'est fini.
Ouais, bah ouais.
Puis en vrai, avec le temps que ça met, t'as pas le temps de te dire ouais, c'est de la merde ce que j'ai fait, parce que de toute façon tout le monde aura fait des trucs un peu moyens.
Ouais, je vois totalement la mentalité, ouais.
C'est ça qui est cool.
Alors qu'une map, t'es livré à toi-même, tu peux perdre ta motivation tout seul. T'es motivé par rien.
Oh, aide. Hop.
Oh là là, j'ai l'impression d'avoir fait un truc bien alors que ça pue la merde. Ah non, ça pue la merde en fait. Wow, j'ai fait que de la merde.
Il y a la technique secrète. Secrète plus tellement. Je peux rajouter Doomstrip.
C'est une technique pour mettre du gameplay facilement.
Ouais,
mais en vrai, c'est vrai.
C'est la nouvelle méta introduite par KVT, mais ça marche tellement bien. Simple à faire, ça coûte rien et ça rajoute, ça rend ton terrain intéressant, quoi.
C'est plus facile.
C'est pas juste un truc tout plat.
Ouais, je capte. Dinguerie. Attends. J'ai envie de faire un truc dans l'eau, je vais faire un truc dans l'eau. C'est quoi ça, Bread Delate? Bon, ça m'a fait me rire.
Je vais prendre un arbre, le copier un peu partout.
Oh oui. Comment on fait une sphère creuse hein?
Je saurais pas te dire avec.
T'inquiète.
Sur Axiom, je sais par cœur. Mais...
T'inquiète.
Merde. Hein.
Proche.
Oula. Non, si, ok, faut juste faire que je mette le bon biome.
Wesh. Qu'est-ce que j'ai foutu? Ah, ça va, j'ai fait ce que je voulais faire. Bon. Je vais regarder sur Google, vite. World Edit.
For quick and easy terraforming.
World Edit. Sphère vide. Comment on fait?
Alors, biome, painter, il est où? Il est là. Color, ça doit être du red.
C'est H sphère. Ok, c'est bon, j'ai. H sphère.
Ouais, ça a l'air d'être ça.
Oh non, je sais ce que je vais faire, je sais.
C'est bon, les arbres ne sont plus verts. Hop.
Comment c'est écrit, wesh? Terra. TA, c'est 2 R 2 T. Oh là 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 là. /set block stone PM. Ah non, c'est BR. BR. Ah, c'est slash HFR. Ok, c'est bon. Oh, c'est bon, j'ai compris. J'ai une commande de fou furieux. Oh, let's go. Undo. c'est good.
Dépêche-toi, t'as plus que 40 secondes pour faire ce que tu veux faire.
T'inquiète, il faut juste que je taille un peu. Je voulais faire une petite crotte dans l'eau là.
Crotte.
Ouais, j'ai fait une petite crotte en brown terracotta là.
Lol.
Ils peuvent remplir un petit peu là, ils peuvent se faire plaisir. Smooth. Bon, c'est good. Alors, on est sur quoi là? Petit
Time terrorism. What?
Waouh.
Qu'est-ce que c'est que ça?
C'est.
Alors,
Ouais, c'est. Ok, on va faire en sorte de rejoindre les.
Start. Bah là, faut juste rajouter des trucs de gameplay, genre cobweb et tout.
Vas-y, ça me va.
Parce que du coup, ils ont fait, ouais, il y a un chemin qui va là. Ok, ils sont arrêtés à peu près là. Je pense que là, ce sera la laine du coup. Ouais, je vais faire la box.
Vas-y. Bah, je vais faire les autres chemins en attendant.
Ouais. Bon, ils ont fait comme moi, ils avaient commencé à faire des petits chemins.
Ouais, des petites
à partir
plateformes
du
de
début. Ouais.
Ok, je capte. Ok. Il écrit quoi là?
Symétrie. Je vais faire la zone finale d'ici. Tac, tac. Ça.
Oh, mais on va utiliser ça. Oh, ça va être trop moche la palette de couleurs, mais c'est vas-y. Je vais utiliser des blocs de résine là. Résine.
What the hell?
Résine bricks.
Bref.
Fuck. J'ai fait n'importe quoi. Undo. Bon. On va utiliser le quartz en fait. Vas-y, on va pas faire n'importe quoi.
Moi, je reste sur ce qu'ils ont produit.
Oui,
Je ne prends pas de risque.
Là, on va smooth un peu. Hashtag solide.
Ça, je pourrais pas ouvrir le truc. Bizarre.
Ok, tac.
Ah voilà, c'est bon. Alors, indicateur évoqueur, Wizard Skeleton, Gigagast. Oh, allez, c'est exactement ce que je voulais.
Oh,
On va mettre des gastes normaux. Hop. Ça va être une purge à l'instant. Qu'est-ce que je commence déjà à mettre des mobs. On va mettre des drowned, ce sera rigolo.
Allez.
Tac. Et là on va mettre des squelettons. Non, j'ai looté mon spawner.
Mouchoir, vite. Oh, quitte à faire des mobs spawners comme ça, on va faire des cages. Hein.
Tac. Tac.
Ok, on va faire des trucs grands.
T'as fait des bouboules?
Ouais, je fais des petites bouboules.
Ah, t'aurais dû continuer à faire comme ce qu'il faisait au début. Là.
Ah, en mode labyrinthique.
Ouais. Alors, attends.
Ouais, je vais en faire. Ok.
Tac.
Je vais faire ça. J'ai la vision.
Je dois récupérer des blazes. Des blazes low HP. Si je veux juste utiliser des piliers de quartz, ça fera beau. On va mettre des drones et des blazes.
Tac. Tac, tac, tac. Wacky entrance. Ok. Oh, mon bloc de résine, il va venir là. Les trials... Waouh, j'ai eu peur. Les mob spawners et les trial spawners marchent pareil?
Non, pas du tout.
Ok, ok. Oh, c'est la pire palette de couleurs. Vas-y, je vais changer. Oh, je vais utiliser un truc bien. Oh, ça c'est parfait ça. Je vais faire des designs bien chiants là. Oh, ça va être beau ça. Fuck. Undo. Slash cut, parfait. J'ai envie de casser les couilles. On va faire des spawners bien chiants là. Oh, je vais faire que ça. Des designs de spawners. Ok.
C'est de rien mettre. Pour les forcer à faire le tour. Qu'est-ce que tu fais?
Je sais pas, je fais des.
C'est trop bizarre ton truc.
Je sais pas. Je fais ce qui me passe par la tête, mec. Regarde, j'ai envie de mettre des portes là, tu vois, regarde. Ça personne l'a jamais fait. Bon. Ça, c'est de l'art ce que je propose. Regarde-moi ça, regarde-moi ça. Ça, c'est du terrorisme.
Tu veux que je les place un peu
Oh ouais, vas-y, fais-toi plaisir.
C'est quoi dans les spawners?
Y'a rien, j'ai mis juste des spawners vides.
Ah, bah attends, je vais les remplacer après.
Oh, vas-y, vas-y, fais-toi plaisir. Regarde, j'ai mis des spawners et des portes, ça, c'est du jamais vu, ça.
Je vais foutre ça là-bas.
Ah merde, j'ai oublié de mettre le bloc de psy au-dessus. Hop. Parfait.
Par contre, je vais mettre du coup des blaze là-dedans, je pense. Tac. Ah, ça me saoule, la molette de ma souris est trop sensible. Mais c'est pas possible. Mais arrête de bouger la molette.
Molette de con.
Je pète un câble. Attends, je vais utiliser le Magic Select.
Oh, mais il y avait une wallbox de prévu là, non?
Ouais, bah, j'ai fait la wallbox.
Tout en haut?
J'ai fait la zone finale dans la dernière tasse ici.
Ah ok, parce que la tasse plus haut, il y avait un truc en brique qui laissait
Oui,
croire
bah
que
c'est. Oui, bah c'est ce que j'ai fait. Attends, quoi?
Non, non, tout au-dessus du spawner que t'as déplacé. TP-toi à moi, au pire.
Ah, bon, on va la virer.
Ouais, viens là. On impose notre side ici. Attends, je la cut. Hop, hop, hop. Vas-y, ça je sais faire là. Oh, laisse-moi cut. C'est moi, je suis responsable de ça.
Vas-y, on va mettre quelques plateformes ici. C'est dans un état désastreux le truc. Ah, c'est... Je sais pas qui passe derrière nous, mais bonne chance à eux.
Bon courage.
Bon, en vrai, on a posé quelques mobs. Il en reste plus que les items à faire et c'est ok.
Ok, nice.
Alors, Molten Chambers, c'est encore en bas. Alors.
Oh, ok.
Ah,
belle
déjà, c'est
taille.
des gens qui sont bons qui ont mis des trucs. Ils ont mis les mobs. La laine est là.
Et bah parfait, je vais rien
Et
broder.
il reste. Ouais, mettre des petites décorations et. Les chests sont. Oh, ils ont même mis les putain. Sachant que c'est une zone où Cavity est passé. Il est trop rapide.
C'est du propre, c'est du propre.
Ouais.
Start. Ça commence
C'est
bim,
trop bien,
bim.
on finit sur un truc chill.
Ok, ouais, tranquille, tranquille. Hop, hop. On passe là. Tac, tac, tac. Là, déjà, je joue à la map en survie, hein, en spec. Hop, après on va là. Tac, 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 tac.
Hop, je rajoutais des magma cubes.
Oh, il y a tout. Bah, c'est génial, je sais pas quoi faire.
Alors, attends, c'est suspicious.
Qu'est-ce que je peux faire à part déséquilibrer cette zone?
Transformer une zone magnifique
en désastre. Ouais. Oh, je sais ce que j'ai envie de faire. Oh, dans celle-là, je vais mettre des petits pièges en redstone un peu partout. Oh, ouais.
Ah ouais, des plaques de. Juste TNT, plaques de pression en
douce.
Blackstone et c'est parti.
Allez, on va faire ça. Tu sais quoi, je vais me prendre toute la palette là. Hook. Ça, je vais mettre des coffres piégés à la place. Piston. Redstone. Non, faut voir où est-ce que je fais des petits pièges.
Moi aussi, je rajoute juste des pièges.
La zone va être infecte.
Ouais, mais c'est pas grave.
Allez.
Ah, il y a une échelle là. Hop. Si je vais rajouter une option B. Zombie, X. C'est vrai qu'on peut s'amuser à rajouter des blocs de minerais et tout un peu partout.
Ouais, c'est vrai.
Des blocs de paille, toutes ces conneries-là, du charbon.
Ah oui, bien vu.
Bloc de charbon. Bloc de paille.
C'est vrai, faisons ça.
Voilà, c'est parfait pour des blocs de paille. Pareil sur cette tour. Ah, ça va être diffuse comme trap ce truc. Et je rajoute une alternative.
Ok.
Le Blackstone. Hop, je vais tirer ces spawners à peur si possible. Voilà. Tac.
J'ai rien fait sur cette zone MDR quoi. Je vais juste faire un piège. Génial mes 20 minutes.
C'est un spawner à quoi? Vas-y. Hop. Mettre ça là. On va mettre des shiny pour attirer l'œil des joueurs. Hop. Moi, je vais rajouter un coffre avec un item dedans. Ok. En vrai, il y a les lances maintenant. Ouh. Ça me donne une idée. Vas-y, on va mettre un petit lunge. Petit lunge 2. Vraiment pas efficace. Genre 4 pommes en or. Waxed. Waxed.
Comment on peut trigger de la redstone en hauteur, par en dessous?
Trop chiant cette molette. Elle me fait péter un câble cette molette. Hop. Ok. Ouais, non, moi je peux pas faire du clone parce que j'ai la molette qui fait nimp. Ouais. Des blaze en plus. Ouais, blaze full HP. Tac.
C'est con. Oh.
À la fin, on rejoindra le chat global pour, quand on va faire la présentation des zones.
T'as dit quoi?
Je suis KO. En gros, quand ce sera fini, généralement ce qui se passe c'est qu'on fait un tour de toutes les zones qui ont été faites. Et à ce moment-là, du coup, on rejoindra le VOG global.
Ok. Oh, avec plaisir.
Il reste plus que 5 minutes, je sais pas vraiment ce qu'on peut faire de plus. Tiens, si je vais rajouter des... C'est stylé, hop. La trompette, the fuck.
Je te laisserai faire les présentations. Vraiment.
Bon, de toute façon, on n'a pas rajouté grand chose dans ce endroit.
Ouais.
Bah, c'est joli. Ah, par contre, là, c'est. Caca, là, c'est caca. Hop, j'ai. À l'arrache. Vous voyez la terre. Pas bien, ça. Hop là. C'est propre. again.
I before. Je fais un piège un con. Before going.
Amuser à rajouter des petits pièges. Vraiment tout con aussi. La base. Tac, tac. Hop là, fais gaffe à...
Oui.
aux plaques de pression. Quoi ton piège?
C'est trop de la merde. J'ai fait ça pour 20 minutes. Bref, je me suis fait un kiff. Alors.
C'est quoi ces panneaux?
Je sais pas ce que j'ai branlé. C'est terrible.
Oh, yeah.
C'est... ma productivité est phénoménale. Toi, t'as tellement... Ah, vraiment. J'ai juste fait une
Je sais
bêtise.
pas voir où il est ton... Ah mais il est là-dedans.
En fait, il est au-dessus, ouais.
Et ça drop quoi?
C'est juste ça. Oh, purée.
Et surtout que t'arrives de ce côté-là en plus. Tu le vois arriver avant d'arriver dans la colonne.
Ah ouais, c'est pas par en bas? Non, c'est bon, bah flop.
Non, en fait tu descends. Donc,
Ah ouais, j'ai fait... Ah ouais, t'inquiète. Ah ouais, j'ai fait tout ça pour...
La flop comme jamais. Bon allez, on retourne dans le vocal.
You definitely could not.
Alright,
I know you out of anyone else could not have lasted more than like 5 more minutes.
I was
Alright.
bored out of my mind in
immediately
that last
follow
area, the last cycle.
I
I was
make
chill. I've actually got the pace down for the final cycle of items. I'm just in mixed stacker for 15 minutes and I just place them all in the last 5.
Bro, I
Can you
messed
imagine being
up. I
solo?
was trying to make an
A lot of
armor
people
set.
do
I
it.
didn't have enough time. So you literally have one of the armor pieces just be a renamed gold boots.
Nice.
You guys put armor in your areas?
It's all good.
Well, if anyone plays Windcraft, there's a Windcraft reference in the.
Alright, Lincoln's data pack is actually like completely broken, so it says user OO made every single area. Yeah.
My
And
man.
even worse,
you.
I can't click to teleport does not work.
Oh, well, damn.
Are you just
is.
gonna have to
Teleport to
manually?
me, I'm at
What
area, I'm
happened?
at the monument.
Is it gonna let me
Let's
fly
just
around
fly
other... Okay, you
through
can
it.
fly around other areas, I guess.
Alright, this is Brutalist
might
District,
teleport us.
and I don't know by who.
It started with
Oh,
me.
it's beautiful.
I've touched this area. I was the one who added the. I was the one who finished adding the smooth stone bricks. I mean the smooth stone buildings, and I've also added the black concrete. But someone changed it to candles instead of sea lanterns.
This is pretty cool.
They look
Honestly,
great.
Well,
honestly,
I
the
guess...
candle.
Guys, what on top, you fucking bastards?
Oh, can
Wow,
someone...
I love these rotated
W trap.
bricks like on the sides. They
I
look
guess
so
it's
good.
better.
Can this even
I guess it's
activate?
better.
Oh, don't worry, Slime King. It's a collaborative
It's not
effort.
like the,
Everybody.
doesn't the
Do we
trap
want
chest
to-
have to have a block under it?
Wait,
Do we
what
want to
the
try
heck?
and note who
What?
made each one as we're going
Wait.
through, or should we just credit everyone in the end?
Yeah, that might be
I'll-
hard
I'm
because
just,
it's
we're
4
just doing
people
master
per thing.
credits list. It's
Yeah, just do a master
It's cool to
credits, that's
know,
fine.
but like, no one's gonna look at it even if we add it, so it doesn't matter.
Well,
Wait, could someone
we
clear
could
my? Could someone
figure
clear
it
my
out based on the
vision?
first
I
person
need
who
my-
started
this
this
actually
area.
just this one actually started with me, then went to Slime King.
Like,
Bro,
maybe I could do
like I
get,
said,
get storage. Let me-
Can you please clear my vision for people?
Oh, this is your monument. Okay.
1 second.
Snow, what did you say? Or Nib? Nebula?
Wait.
Slime King was first started in brown, so the last area. Me and you started in this.
Let me ask Link.
The
view credits.
Wait, so we don't know who started this one?
Completely broken.
No, I made this. This is I made
there a
like
way
this
to
monument
see it?
structure.
In storage.
Okay. So, sorry, you started it, right? That's what you said.
Yeah, I started this entire place.
Yeah, let's not worry about the credits anyway. We'll just
Yeah,
we'll
it's
just
gonna
do a
be too
master
hard,
credits
probably.
at the end.
Oh!
Mmm.
Is that
This
useful
makes
at all?
sense.
Not really.
Purchase and make this area, guys.
Who is DC28C8EA0B2048E2?
That's my alt.
Okay, wait, this is actually
An
kind of
NPC.
useful because this shows us what
NPC
area we ended on.
Bro, that's my address.
We'll use that later. I'll use that later.
Is that
to
my
get the master
social
credits,
security?
it's all good.
Right. Next area.
Wait,
Alright.
clear my night vision, please.
I love
Oh,
the
clear.
fleecy boxes at the top,
Hey,
the
that
4
better?
different
There we go.
glass cubes. That looks so
Oh,
Amazing.
wow, it's a lot more moodier than the sea lanterns, but
Alright, this
I
is
think-
Ooh, there's a
white.
monument.
Oh,
good.
This is white.
This is
So dark.
the
What?
spire
What?
from Slay the
What?
Spire.
Whoa, it's
Oh,
huge!
God.
Yeah, this is
Yeah.
why I was going insane when I was
Hey.
building
Oh,
it.
fuck me.
this is
Okay, white
But
wool
you're not
everyone.
food.
Why didn't we get any of these vertical areas, bro? I would have
This
shot
is
like
so
absolutely clawed.
talented. How did you guys do this?
What
This is
size?
This is as
crazy.
tall as Sky
So,
Blessing.
Cake, we did some
Some slash
mining
stacking,
here.
bro. Yeah, I can tell.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I started and me and you basically made all the doom strips
idea.
going
Okay,
up.
when I look at this,
Wow.
okay, when I look
Yeah.
at this from like the
I can get
When
Big
I-
Mama Night Vision.
when I go clip into the walls and
It's-
look at this from like the exterior, it is giving like Sky Blessing kind of, you know, that one super tall tower that just goes on forever, and you keep going up and up and up and up and up and up, and then
What's
some,
this bedrock?
and then you get to the
Why is the
Congrat-
command block?
you win the spire.
No, that's my
Nanda
dev
Melon,
room.
did you work on this one as well? I can tell because
I-
it looks like
God.
everything you've made. kind of.
Ours were wait, what?
You gotta love
Oh,
the
that
gray brown color scheme. That's a
I love the
class.
good luck chest at the start.
I was
Although,
the
I don't
one
know
who
if
made the
you
mobs.
actually
And,
got
I was the one who added the mobs and loot for this area.
Yeah,
So
me and Mama started this one.
basically,
I made the
in
walls.
this area, there are zombie spiders and creepers that have that do not take full damage, so they can fall without hurting. There's also a Centurion. There's a Centurion elite that has more HP.
But yeah,
I-
flanking. Is this
So these
good-
full
is this
iron
good enough?
zombie mace spawners at the top of this in white wool.
Flanking.
Yeah.
We did some
Makes
googling
sounds good.
actually for this tower. I had to Google what it was, but like we
Oh.
found
Yeah. I tried to. I realized the area was already done, so I just needed to make mobs and loot for it. If you look in the wax copper chest, there's wax copper chests there's like 3 different offhands you could choose from.
Ooh, Slay Spire. I see.
All right, next area.
What
can't
the
even see it.
fuck?
Oh my
This is
god.
the
Oh, I know this
cactus-
one.
Cactuses. What?
Cactus covered
Is it true?
caverns, bro. Cactus covered caverns.
Hey,
Yeah.
This is
That looks
already
kinda
at
good.
cycle 2-3. This was already finished. There were already
This was
spawners and
finished.
loot.
Yeah,
So many
this was
creepers
finished
here.
in one
I have
area.
never
No, you guys have
seen.
to finish
floating
connecting all the
torches.
small ruins.
I have not seen cactuses
Yeah,
used
we
this
did
way
make it kinda
before.
big.
It's genius.
Oh my god. Wait, yeah.
Wait, it looks kind of
And,
good.
and also, I've never seen. I
It looks like
rarely.
Cinder-
They are
Interview.
using the pillar
a lot.
tricks.
Also, I rarely
A lot of
ever get to
content.
see the cactus.
Wait, what's with
This
set.
the
looks like this
lighting?
looks fucking exactly the same as when we left it, bro.
Yeah,
The
like,
torches
Yeah,
are
there's
quite
mobs
nice,
and I
though.
think there's more
actually
doom
did-
strips. Or did you add?
I
the
changed
changed
doom
it.
strips?
red torch because of there are so many.
Yeah, we
I
added
actually
lots
Oh,
of
I might have
map
added too
stuff.
many. Yeah.
I actually added stuff to this area.
What
The
the hell is
smooth-
full like iron here?
That's
Oh yeah, I
really need it after
realized
that white
it's a
one.
little too much iron,
The
but
two
whatever.
first areas.
What the hell? I made like
nice.
15 unique items. Am I an item is my item cranker rank higher than Slime King's? What the hell?
I think your item cranker rank is like
text and like custom
quadruple.
attributes. Looking. Make
Oh.
like
I
15
added a
items.
sphere here. If you find a sphere, good luck.
There. Oh, you added a spear somewhere, Sanders?
Yeah, just normal.
Oh,
I
that's
added
funny.
the
But
spear
I
to
was-
somewhere.
I added. This was my last area, and I added the husk camel jockeys with
spear wielding
The what-
hub
the
with
what?
arcs in the back.
Oh,
and-
yeah. That's a good idea. Yeah. Whoa.
Yeah, so I added those in this
Husk
area.
camel
So get ready,
jockey.
because those things are gonna mess you
Wait,
up.
is it which camel is it? Is it the new one or
It's
the?
every red sandstone spawner
I
is one
see.
of those husk jockeys. And at the very, but don't worry, I'm nice. At the very
Husk
end, you get the morph. You get the morph set from Windcraft.
Yes. Yes. Okay. This map is a game map of the year.
Well,
Alright, guys.
if this map is released without any balance changes, this area is gonna be very diabolical. Like,
Why did you put them in, bro? What the hell? You can't just say that and be like, oh, it's gonna be hard.
hey, it's
Bruh.
Slotfire worked, and pizza and that first area in Slotfire was
Slotfire quote unquote worked.
Oh come on, that was peak.
Alright, this is an area called Absolute
what
Chaos.
the?
Alexa.
They complain about
Okay,
me putting mobs in there.
Dude,
Hey,
are you
guys,
seeing
I
these
need you to
random
walk
lava
in.
blocks?
Look
That's
at
awesome.
this enchantment table setup.
Oh my
Yeah,
god.
that's good.
Where?
There was not enough.
Those are all
lobbies there.
TNT minecarts, by the way.
Smiley face.
I
Oh
love the
my
ball of
God.
fire at the top of the map. That's insane.
Wait, who made this? You
Okay,
forgot the
Chaos-
lobbies, so I fixed that.
This is our
what-
third. This is our second area. I mean,
Who
Okay,
makes these
yeah.
candle lightnings? How does that work?
It's me, candles, candles,
it's
candles.
Big Mama's the candle in the sky. You are a CTM maker, fucking like player. How do you not know
Whoa.
that Big Mama's the
Well,
candle in the sky?
okay, that's
guy?
true. But but how do you make them
Oh
straight
my
like this?
god,
How
the
does that
fire
work?
noises. Go into
The
the
line
big,
too.
Yeah, the path
Yes,
Line
fly
two?
into the big ball of
Yeah,
fire
use
in the
the Kratos
sky.
and
Your
Vertices
ears will
and make a
thank you
line to
later. Your ears will thank you later.
Line 2.
I think we
It's
went
the
for
action.
crocodile.
There's a way to
Okay.
make that lines when action.
Oh, this
Yeah,
path is
Axiom
good.
Path tool
Whoa.
is OP.
What is this chest?
Oh.
Fucking double blaze spawner with it's guarding 16 torches.
Alright, can you sleep in this minecart?
Piece of dog.
You can sleep
I
in
did
it.
really
not
want the
place those
torches,
spawners.
okay?
I
What
didn't
is
touch
this?
the spawners.
Dispenser thing, or-
Would you rather fight the fucking double blaze spawner or
Detector.
just mine the deep slate coal ore? It's actually a conundrum.
Wait, okay, what are you looking at?
I just
Oh, I
placed
can't.
TNT everywhere.
Minecart bed, what the hell?
Oh yeah,
There's
that was so
copper-
cool. I
there's
fucking
broken
replaced it with
so
a
many
bed, and,
layers
and it's
by
like
the way.
dangling. Like, look at this one. Look at this minecart. The bed is dangling. How are you? How is this
yeah, what?
sound? Dude, I was just replacing because basically here's how I did it. Actually, I have a
Alright,
command
go
for
again.
this. Using.
Alright.
Let me go find
You
it.
can take a
I'm
nap here.
Scrolling up. Blop 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 blop. This one? Yeah. This command lets you replace the block that a TNT minecart is
Yeah.
displaying from the item in your hand. Very
Yeah.
nice.
Oh,
Oh
interesting.
my god.
Oh, nice.
That's why I was scrambling for the syntax. All
Devious.
right. Pretty banger bullshit.
Wait, the Phantom is the Phantom spawner not gonna spawn stuff in peaceful mode?
I don't know.
Did they fix that yet? I hope they did.
This
Oh,
one-
hey,
this
nice
one is
Oh,
like
yeah.
libraries in the void.
Ooh,
I
they added
like that.
colors. Look at that.
This is-
Look at the
it's
sky.
Libraries of the void. Yeah.
Yes.
Oh,
so
is this
pretty.
is this a Big Mama banger?
Me and Gizmo like touched up the majority of this, and honestly,
There's no
like,
candles in the sky, bro. There's no.
Oh my god,
not a
we're already
trace of
giving
Big
out
Mama.
actual diamond armor. in this
Well,
area.
the end roads I place it. That's all. Yeah.
Yeah, we had a mob salute here.
Somebody put fucking wool in the anvil fleecy box.
Oh,
They deleted
damn
my
it.
wool box, bro.
Oh, it's removed. It's gone.
They griefed my ass.
Oh my god, we have diamond
Well, I think we
armor
all know
in
what the
light
superior
blue.
fleecy box is.
Oh my god, we have diamond armor in light blue. Let's go.
It's okay, we have diamond armor like 2 areas earlier anyway.
Oops.
Normalize putting
Do
an
we
anvil in
actually?
the fleecy box.
this might be like the best
Holy
area
2x2
I've touched
crafter
up.
table.
It was originally an anvil box, and then somebody griefed me. 4x.
Damn.
Alright, this is a
Repurposed.
path
Yeah,
of
this is
blue.
the area that me and Cake did the least amount of damage in, I think.
Wait,
Fifty, I had
We
five
got here
meters
and like
going
did
in
micro
anyway.
detail, like very itty bitty baby detail.
Big ass wool box. I love it.
I made the, the box less square, which is nice.
All right.
I made the
this
mistake of
area
looking ahead.
is
I'm not gonna look at that area yet.
blood
Whoa.
Okay.
Where's
Skybox.
my one question is, where is the wool box?
I don't know.
Ah, it's
Chat.
not them.
Chat.
What?
I guess this map's not.
Oh,
feasible.
it's Cake said it was already placed, so I didn't place one.
Transition area.
No, there is. Go to the last tower.
There's a
The
wool
one
box.
that's.
There is actually a wool box. It's over.
Yeah.
It's near.
Yeah.
It's at the top over in the small.
I told you, it's a dripstone objective.
There's an anvil sphere at the bottom of the lake.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, there's some good ones coming up. I should not fly over that way.
Is the wall?
See, guys.
There
there's
sure
a
is. Don't
really
tell
good-
anyone for
Where
it.
is it?
It's top
Dino
secret.
Crab can make a good layout of an area.
I say after you told literally everyone.
Oh,
No, nobody heard me.
Proof? Why is there proof in this?
Oh,
Okay.
objective. I made all the items here. Spent 15 minutes in McStacker here. The dev room is above the area.
I like the deep slate color collector.
Yeah, thanks.
Wait,
Yeah,
it's a
yeah.
meteor now. Oh my god.
You can look at all
There's
the
like-
items in this chest.
Right after like 5 areas that already had
What
deep slate
the-
coal. You can go back, you can backtrack and get it all.
What deep slate color? Where?
You can go back into the the absolute chaos area. Mind the deep slate color.
Oh, hey, it's the.
Iron lung looks inside. It's gold. Where's the gold?
What a story.
Dev stash.
There's no gold.
All right.
Yeah, that's what I thought. That's what I fucking thought.
Yeah.
I didn't find a
T-type
gold pickaxe.
terrorism.
Sorry.
Oh, there's a blue flag.
The fucking ceiling is Sunday mate.
Look at MS Paint Union Jack.
Oh
bro.
my
What the
God.
fuck?
How did you even do this, Dino? It's such a
Why did you
weird
put
flag.
a chest on top? Why did you put a chest on top of
But
the
I-
hot cross bun and not
symmetry?
inside the hot cross bun with all the other loot?
What is the theme?
Woolworths.
I like the cuts.
Wait.
Teapot terrorism or something. Teapot terrorism.
Oh, they're
Teapot terrorism.
teapots.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Where is the
Wow,
this-
this is Sorry, I'm just a little speechless.
Not non-Brits
This
don't even know what
reminds
these are.
me. This reminds me of the
What is a
Undertale. Of an Undertale CTM map I made when I was a teenager, where Asgore's area was literally a giant teacup.
Huh.
Yeah,
I thought that
the
the
fingers
outside
are
was
meat.
left as dirt, and then I got closer and I realized it's just wood.
Terrorism.
Wow, this is actually really cool.
It's gonna cause some
I like
FPS drops. if that lights
big
on
size
fire.
objects are always a fun
Alright, well, that's
area.
fine. Look, there's a nice 2-layer border of dirt up from separating the lava and the wood.
These areas are hard to follow.
Oh, thank God.
It's okay, lava doesn't spread if
Nowadays.
random tick's not on.
We're into that area.
Yeah, the single blaze spawner in question somewhere in the level.
Ooh, don't worry about that.
All right, we got the
Okay.
multiple
Alright.
chambers.
Yeah.
This is where I started.
A classic lava
This
area.
is a more reasonably sized area.
Yeah.
Exactly. See? Can't be same thing except for the people who started
Nice
after me.
axiom, man.
Holy diamond block.
Oh,
Opie loot.
wait, I'm making tea because the tea area had me all.
Right, we
Fucked up.
inspired.
Hold it up.
You're all
Hold
fired
it up.
I saw the lava in the cup and I was like,
Fucking
I could use something warm.
It's diamond block. Just setting up the fucking rogue fire route, bro. God damn.
Ah, God, I hate Link. Why is there a fucking stupid glowstone dirt tunnel at the
Yeah.
top of every one of these
I
fucking
know.
areas?
Shit is chopped.
It's so iconic, but also
I love how
so ugly.
Wait, Kenny, go back to that. Okay.
What's wrong
Someone
with
fucking
it, bro?
trapped. Someone trapped a fucking
Guys,
water
I'm sorry, the
column
block bar
without
on
realizing
the
you stood at the
outside
top
is
of it.
What is
really
that?
something.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. The noise pattern on the outside is next area.
Yeah,
is kinda
choices
cool.
have been made.
So I
what?
started
What's
this one with the terrain.
Oh, is this the
I can
fishing
tell by the
village?
you're like a
Oh
shape
my
to
God, I'm voting it
You
in.
and your donuts, bro. You
Me
love
and
your
my donuts, yeah.
Hey, there's actually breezes in this area. That's nice.
This is cool.
Yeah, I basically just made terrain, so everything after that.
Line
is-
four,
I like
this
these. I'm a big fan of these verticalness.
Yeah.
I added
Inside
the
block
trees while I
bar.
was I added the trees while I was
Outside block
thinking
bar.
of what else I needed to do, and then at the end I was like, wait, I should have made it a riptide area. So I put like halfway up, I put a riptide trident, and I was like,
I set it up
riptide
for you, I knew
area.
where you were. I set it up for you.
Wow, the
I
inside
fucked
is
it
so
up, I
beautiful. If I just
fumbled.
block the background with my hands. Wow.
Oh, these are
I actually
hand-play
don't
strip
mind.
zones.
I actually
This
don't
is like
mind the
fishing
block.
village.
Oh,
thing.
there is Riptide.
Oh, is this the fishing village? I guess
Yeah.
it is.
Yeah,
Hanging
fishing
eyeballs.
Hey,
village.
this is the fishing
I'm
village. I
voting
didn't even check.
Wait, how do you
Yeah,
make this
apparently it
ring?
is.
Somebody tell me at the bottom. How does that work? The stone
Onion
ring.
ring tool.
Oh, I'll
Oh
show
my
you, Cake.
God,
I need to
it's
flex this. I'm getting really comfortable with the shape tool.
Next him.
Forest.
Oh,
to-
yeah, I
there's
think
a freaking
Forax
eight
already told me
gas
it's the onion
water
ring
at the
tool.
top. Jeez,
Thanks,
what's this
Yeah.
Donut brush.
Castlevania?
Slash
Why is there
onion ring.
fucking mouse pot spam? What the fuck?
Are those
Resident.
diamond sword? Oh my god, there's diamond sword vexes in this map. Fucking-
Bro is complaining after putting full iron mace zombies in the first area.
Why do we have so many
No, I'm
gas in
confused. Do the
Wait, we
maces? Do
did?
the maces actually work? Like
They do.
Yeah.
They're gonna one-shot you if they drop on you.
Oh crap! I didn't know that.
Oh no! Oh no!
Yeah, no, they make the
Oh,
sound
no.
effect and
Over
everything.
again.
Because the thing is, the maces only deal 1 attack. I made sure to change the attribute on the maces so they deal 1 attack damage, but
That's,
No,
that's
they're
plus
gonna-
one of the zombies base damage. It's still a lot.
They're gonna, yeah, they are cranium crushers at the top of that area.
This area looks cool though. Spiders
shape is
with
super
2
awesome.
eyes in this one.
spiders.
Oh
with 2
yeah,
punches.
changes have been made.
Spy-eaters.
Did you start
Yeah,
here? So
Yeah, I did start here, and I guess I did.
okay. I came in
Pretty
second
much-
and was I just stared at this area for
Whoa,
like
guys!
30 seconds with my hands on my head, like how am I gonna even make a dent in this? This was massive.
That's what I remember when Forax was like,
Yeah.
who
Oh,
is an
yeah,
over
That's
so
what I was
city?
complaining. This is what I was crying about because there were
Right,
2 cycles and
exactly.
this place had 0 gameplay, and I was
Guys,
like,
why
okay.
is this
blame
massive
me.
lava
You-
ocean over here empty?
Yeah, it's
You
like a
all
massive
blame
lava
this
ocean.
guy.
This is
Dino
like, yeah, this is why there's like
Dino
a
created
really
size area.
bland stone brick path.
You all blame
Yeah.
the
bro.
creator.
Well, I figured to make this even slightly workable, I had to get rid of at least half of the cave. So I just
Okay, I
filled
put,
it
I
up
put a
with
nice
lava.
bedrock gauntlet at the end.
Ah, nice. That's a good idea.
Wait,
It's a
what did we
bedrock
go
gauntlet.
What the
man?
fuck?
Oh boy.
There's just a little
Fun.
bedrock
Even
gauntlet.
better, it's like
at the end.
three
Oh,
rooms.
you need tiny.
Not even. Like 2.5 rooms.
I had to budget my time, okay?
It's a fucking hallway, dude.
The bedrock
Right, how many-
gauntlet.
how many
Did
areas
no
do you
one-
get in this?
Did no one play spawners here?
Deadly
Yeah,
bedrock
probably should,
hallways.
yeah.
Uh-oh, I guess we'll
Yeah,
have to do that.
this is a peaceful mode area.
Honestly, I don't blame
Deadly
someone for
Stone
missing a
Trials.
spot in this area with loot and mobs. Well,
Oh, hey,
I
it's some
also
of the
don't
block
know.
var from
Is
the
this
last
looting
area
simulator?
over here at the bottom.
I don't know why the mobs
Where
are
are
in
the
place.
spawn
There's already
last
100
part?
mobs already made in the bags.
There are none.
Alright, that's.
Okay, peaceful
Oh,
mountains.
yes.
Okay, nice.
Are these spider web like lines? Are they also the line tool, or is that something else?
Yeah, these are catenary line tools.
An
There's some
axiom?
candles hidden inside them as well.
Oh, hidden in a little treat, gooey on the inside.
That's basically all I did
That's-
in that area was make webs
is
and fill and get rid of half the
Tropical
game.
fruits of
They look
death.
great.
Yeah,
This
this
looks
was
like-
my
Alright,
scouting area.
so
This
so
one
I
is
yeah,
small.
good
it really
progress.
looks pretty similar to what I made. I made like the basic block for and all the bridges and stuff.
Yeah, this was mostly done when I got to it. I just put some spawners down.
Oh, what happened?
I
Yeah,
put
it
some-
turns out you
some
get a
loot
lot done
down.
in 40 minutes. Turns out.
Yeah.
Oh, can somebody spot the dirt glowstone column hole on this
Oh
map?
my
I see
God,
it.
the fucking
I got rid of the
lava.
glowstone. You good?
Oh, not at the bottom.
Oh, none of that.
You can see it from below. Holy shit.
It's like Link's little watermark, you know, just
Yeah. That's how you know. I'm
worms
gonna
its
start
way
adding it
into.
to my maps.
He doesn't even have to
Yeah,
attend
you're
to
right. I
events
should
to
add
piss
it
us
to my
off.
maps. That'll be such a funny reference. Anyway, I like the fruits.
Holy shit, this next area is
little
kind of
berries.
tass. Hold on.
Yeah.
Where did I park my damn car?
Dude, I knew I had the best theme ever. Fuck, I'm so fucking smart.
I got this one with like the layout and a bunch of platforms.
You started
This is
with
like
the
This is
more-
OP area. Hold on, this is.
Oh, the
this is
fleecy box is a
crazy.
car. That's so peak. Ah,
This is good.
I'm
I
so
added some
happy.
lighting and mobs to this area. That was
Oh, yeah,
all I
the
did.
street lamps too. Oh.
The street lamps weren't mine. I did the ceiling like.
You can take
column
credit for them. I won't
things.
tell.
No, I don't know.
I
wouldn't do that.
spammed cores and
Cinema.
streetlights. That was basically what I did.
Yeah.
That's
This all
accurate.
came together. I think this is cool.
This looks
I made
fun to
very
find.
little impact on this one. I just did a lot of spawners.
Yeah, this one looks.
Hey,
wait,
that's important.
This one looks.
This looks like my average.
Yeah, I don't know,
commute to the
Volker.
fucking gym.
Okay.
My favorite part
Oh,
is the single
anything?
TNT. Oh, there's actually many of them. There's many TNT pressure plates.
Yeah, these guys have their wool dangling from their sunroof.
Block of resin. I keep forgetting that's a thing.
Do they?
Wait,
Yeah.
purple, blue, brown.
The
Okay.
purple wool's peeking out from the sunroof.
All right. If you're driving, it's right above your head.
Yeah, why is there a bag? Why did someone fill their bag completely with bedrock, bro? There's a fucking bag of bedrock next to the wall.
That's gonna be bad for the suspension.
Contraband.
Your front wheels are gonna have no
The
traction
entire,
on this
they
car,
filled the
bro.
whole fucking bag, bro.
Oi.
Shit's heavy. Oh, maybe they're taking it to the air. Maybe they're taking it to like weigh it to see if it's like over 30 pounds or something.
Yeah, carry on.
Yeah.
Your car.
Cool.
What is this
Next.
There's a lot going on here.
It's
Oh yeah, this one is bullshit.
Oh, this is
I
the
don't know who
Walmart.
made
This is
that,
the
but
Walmart.
yeah.
That's like, oh, it's a sequel to the IKEA from the last cycle.
yeah,
The
that,
Aldi in the last one.
It was an Aldi's.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah, it's
yeah,
like the
yeah,
Aldi's.
yeah.
This is just like the Aldi's.
oh
Why
my
is the
God.
Walmart
This
right
Walmart-
in front of like a neighborhood? Like,
Maybe
This
it's
one
It's
a
a
looks
suburb,
like a
bro.
Nothing's a wall.
Welcome to America.
Macron.
corporate takeover, metaphor for
Space is
capitalism.
This was so confusing to work on because you get
There's
lost in
so-
the maze, and there's two wool rooms, but one is outside the area. So if
oh
you
hell
try
no!
to
Someone
build
did like
that
half
one,
my
you
mapping
get
strategy. They
teleported.
like copy pasted rooms, but they didn't make the rooms like interestingly shaped, nor did they vary them.
Oh my God,
Yeah,
there's so
I
many
went
rooms.
in and was
Oh
like,
my
what the hell am I going
God,
to
what is
Actually
this? What is
cooked.
this Bob's at the
Wait, you're right. There
bottom?
are two wool rooms.
Whoa,
There's
oh,
two
this
of
is
them.
Walmart.
Stand square rooms with no variation.
Yes,
It's
and
cooked.
one is
There's a
outside the
Liminal-
building.
it's a
and
liminal
one is inside.
space.
What do you
It's
mean
a
you
liminal
read
space.
bomb
Macron.
instead of freedom?
Wait, where? TP.
Oh, the 2x2 spawner.
Why
so
is bro
the-
so
yeah, it's
interested
right next
in
to the
such a
wall.
topic?
Oh my god, it's right next to the wall box too. Oh my god.
Which
Why is
one?
there a sign that says hell and there's nothing in the room? You
Yeah,
guys
at the
fucking
bottom of
make
the
a room
area, there's a 2x2.
Yeah,
There's also a French box
Walmart
right
layout.
before the wood box.
Three butchers.
It's a very
Did you find like
surreal
accurate
area.
blueprints for this? Because this
There are
looks,
no,
this
there's
is
no loot
authentic.
in this Mac and area. I just cheese. noticed.
Oh, I
Yeah,
hope
it was
I hope
hard
you
to
brought
make
enough
things
loot
work because there's too many
This
rooms.
is the,
I was buzzed.
final wall. This
Honestly,
is
that's
the
kind of
Ah.
thing.
final
Honestly,
This
that's
was
kind.
significantly improved on.
Whoa.
Honestly, that's kind of thing of Walmart to have no loot because is there anything worth
This is
buying?
kind of cool. It's
Yeah.
like
Because-
it is the same kind of build as the first area.
So here's the thing. I was the one who did.
Parallels.
I just
I was
noticed.
the one who this was my first area, so I had to make the layout for this area, and I was smart about I was smart about using the cubes, right? So I was the one who placed all the cubes, and I kind of just hoped that people would. I also did supply 2 spawners for this area. So, oh yeah, people did use them. Nice. And we added blazes as well. I see. So.
I love parallels.
All right, that was Circular 6, everybody. Yeah, good job,
Yay.
team.
I'm going to bed. Good night. Why is there green
Goodbye.
terracotta all the way
Good
over
night.
here? Is it a symmetry brush like thingy?
Probably.
Oh,
Yeah.
someone forgot
Good
to.
bet.
Holy
repaint
crap.
Oopsie, someone left their
Anyways,
save.
good night.
Wait, this is like a placeholder block, probably,
Bye.
actually.
Bye bye.
Well,
Bye,
it's time
everyone.
for 24-hour miracle.
We're not.
I'm gonna eat first, and then I'm gonna
Yeah.
combine.
I've got stuff to do.
Yeah, give me a shout when you're ready, Kirby.